Through the pain, through the rain, through the gain, I salute you, Mama Africa. No tears, no more, just my mama. Through the pain, through the rain, through the gain, I salute you, Mama Africa. No tears, no more, just my mama.
Shikamo Mama Africa, the only dark dot of the earth. Na kuandika ile tani kurelieve not of your wrath, but to share in your grief. Tunijuzi tu in the 1950s wamekurelease toka chenza bondage na kutakia quick relief after your seas. Europa kutreat bila roho na mafikiri. Alafu your sons Congo na Sierra Leone wakanza kufight your raw materials, kisha blood diamonds ikaleta mad iron rule. The Mugabes in Zimbabwe, Mobutu na Idi Amin, and I hope you know who gave them guns, mommy. The same people when you only swallow Malcolm na MLK, but that's gone anyway. Had you sent Barack now on his way to slave master USA to let him know how he lived ruthlessly like yesterday. Rwanda nearly shot himself with an AK, and Jamaica got tired, packed his bag and went away. So it's Mauritania too if things don't change, and oh, I need a new page.
Through the pain, through the rain, through the gain, I salute you, Mama Africa. No tears, no more, just my mama. Through the pain, through the rain, through the gain, I salute you, Mama Africa. No tears, no more, just my mama.
And that is all it is about now. Getting more paper, black poets are doing what now? Getting more paper. When was the last time someone tried to call you mama? Things are getting worse now. Have I told you mama why you had to summon your son Garang? Our brothers from another mother seem to miss Saddam. Did they let you know Mandela's free? How young is he? Shit, 93. Your kids are still slaves. They mining for exports and selling themselves out. They bribing for births, but your girls are still queens, but they dying of AIDS. They worshipping still things like diamond rings. Still non-moving, still the guns shooting, still the blood's oozing. Militaries ruling the people. I mean the big bros are bullying the little. I wish the food was as much as the guns.
Through the rain, through the gain, I salute you, Mama Africa. No tears, no more, just my mama. Through the pain, through the rain, through the gain, I salute you, Mama Africa. No tears, no more, just my mama.
Back na pain na ink, but also back na pain ya kuthink. How come ulikuwa unanipa milk and honey? Nowadays I'm sick of starving, I want you back, man. Soothe me with your songs. When I'm sick, feed me with your hugs. When I cry, wipe my tears, wipe my fears. Tell me you're here, the only one with the power of love, not the love of power. Mrs. Tadwell, the mother of the tame and the wild, the slaves in the land. Never keep your head in the ground. Ataka unaishi below the poverty line. Be strong and afford a smile, cause when I'm reaching your soul, and your tears will be reaching us all like showers of blessing, and leading the flock to rudishes kuzaweda na medicine men. Kabla to specimen kwa laboratory, kabla watuite monkeys kwa stories, na kutumia slavery kupaint a tragic story. Back to the whistles and the smoke signals, and oh, pen yangu me feed, I need to put some ink in it.
Through the rain, through the gain, I salute you, Mama Africa. No tears, no more, just my mama.